Each of these stunning web designs shares a common origin. They were made with AI. In a world rapidly transformed by artificial intelligence, the world of web design has entered a new season. From the intricate patterns of a website to the dynamic layout of a digital masterpiece, AI is the secret thread weaving these innovations together. Today, I'm going to show you 4 actually useful AI tools that are essential for any web designer looking to push the boundaries of their craft. Relume AI, Khroma, Wix Studio, and ChatGPT. These are 4 tools leading the charge of design innovation, and you need to start getting familiar with them and using them in your web design projects today. Let's start with Relume AI, a tool that's changing the game for web designers everywhere. With Relume AI, you start by simply describing a company in a sentence or two, and if you're not really sure what to write, Relume offers examples to help get you started. Also, this platform isn't just popular, it's on fire and proven. It has over 100,000 designers and developers already using the Relume library to accelerate their workflow. Their AI site builder is a tool that's all about speed, getting you up and running fast. You can generate a crazy impressive sitemap in seconds, and then within minutes after that, you can have multiple wireframes expertly designed based on your sitemap. Your imagination really is the only limit here. It also seamlessly integrates with the systems that you love, like Figma. You can create those wireframes and toss them right over. You make that wireframe and then pop it on over to Figma to start turning that lo-fi wireframe into more of a high fidelity design or mockup. It's designed for efficiency, speed, keeping you focused on sitemaps and wireframes without getting bogged down and thinking about the high fidelity process of design. Good wireframes and good sitemaps are the foundation of any great website project. And with a built-in design system and a library of over 1,000 components, you can cut this phase of your web design projects in half. It's also got an AI-driven copy generation functionality built in. So instead of the boring lorem ipsum, which is so 2009, or using up all your ChatGPT 4 tokens to generate better placeholder copy, Relume creates scary relevant copy for your pages. Next up, we have Khroma. This is a tool that's going to level up your color palette game big time. By selecting a set of colors you love, you train Chroma's neural network powered algorithm right in your browser. It's like having a personal color assistant that knows exactly what you like and what you don't, but they're actually good at generating good color combinations for your projects. Chroma's not just about creating random color combinations too. It's learned from thousands of the most popular human-made palettes across the web to produce great color combinations. And you can view these in various formats like typography, gradients, custom images, giving you a real sense of how these colors work in a real project setting. And if you're looking for something specific, its search functionality allows you to filter colors by hue, tint, value, even specific hex or RGB values. This makes finding the perfect palette for your project a really simple process. Lastly, one of my favorite features is the ability to save your favorite color combos to your personal collection. You get all the details like the color names, the hex codes, RGB values, the CSS code, even the WCAG accessibility rating of each pair. Crazy. This makes revisiting and using your preferred palettes really easy. Moving on, let's talk about Wix Studio, a no-code web design platform that's changing the way agencies deliver web design projects to clients. And it's got AI natively integrated, woven in and out right throughout the tool. One of the standout features of Wix Studio AI is its responsive AI layout generator. Imagine designing your site in the desktop view, in the widescreen view. Everything looks just nice. And then with a click of a button, Wix Studio automatically using AI creates the perfect layout organization for your tablet and for your mobile screens. This is going to free up hours of work and allowing you to maintain full control and customization. Now, there's also the AI code assistant. This is huge for developers, offering a generative AI model augmented by Wix within a VS Code-based environment. It helps generate tailored scripts, troubleshoots, it even retrieves product answers quickly. This means you can ship your projects faster and more efficiently. Another incredible feature is AI image generation. We know how this works with Adobe Firefly, Midjourney, and the other tools out there where you can prompt a chat-based tool and it will generate art or graphic or something for you. Well, this is integrated directly into the Wix Studio editor. You write a prompt and voila, you get captivating AI-generated images, perfect for your design needs. Whether it's a 3D image, an illustration, a photo, a graphic, the AI image creator, it's got your back. Wix Studio AI also excels in copywriting assistance. If you're stuck with writer's block and you're not really sure what to say, maybe you're not using Relume to generate copy on your sitemaps, well, the AI text generator, again, using OpenAI's integration, is here to help, delivering copy that considers character limits, user intent, and it's like having a personal copywriter right at your fingertips when you're building your site. But that's not all. Earlier this month, Wix Studio just dropped some big news about how they're going to introduce some big deal features. One of them being the Media AI editor, which brings the convenience of editing your images right within the Studio editor. No more flipping around and toggling between different apps like Canva, if you use it or not, Photoshop, Illustrator, and whatever other tools are out there. This is a seamless design experience at its best. Again, time saving, and that's the name of the game here. And here's something even more impressive. With the upcoming InPaint tool, you'll be able to add or remove objects from any image directly in Photo Studio. It's like having a magic wand for your visuals, transforming them instantly with a few clicks. And lastly, SEO wizards, listen up. Wix Studios just recently released an AI meta tag creator. So this AI-powered SEO tool is a real time saver for designers, content creators, and SEO experts. With just one click, it generates optimized title tags, meta descriptions for your site pages, and the best part, you can tweak any of these to perfectly match your brand's tone and voice. And now let's dive into ChatGPT, the beloved OG AI tool that's literally changing the way we think about content creation, or just the entire world and how we're going to live with robots at some point. If you've been blissfully unaware of ChatGPT, first of all, where have you been? Also, bless your heart, you live in a simpler time, but you're probably also doing a bunch of totally unnecessary work. Look, imagine having an assistant that helps you draft content, write email responses, even turn your rough notes and ideas into a polished entry or article or to-do list. ChatGPT does that and way more, using advanced language models to understand context and produce relevant, coherent text. But ChatGPT's capabilities extend way beyond text. It's also good at image generation. You just give it a prompt, and if you need a specific image to go with your content, you just describe it, and ChatGPT can bring it to life. And then you can go back and forth and converse about the graphic. I don't like this, a little more of that, a little less playful, a little more serious, use this color, don't use that. And that's gonna provide a unique visual element that complements the words that you generated, probably with ChatGPT. Another impressive feature is its ability to create alt text for images. Now, this is crucial for making your content accessible on the web, and ChatGPT simplifies the process, automatically generating descriptive alt text that makes images understandable for everyone. You just take an image, drop it into ChatGPT, ask it to explain what it sees, and it will give you excellent detail that you can copy and paste for your alt tags and your alt descriptions. Now, for you digital marketers out there, ChatGPT is great at SEO too. It can expedite the process of creating SEO-friendly technical copy, ensuring that content is not only engaging, but also ranks well on search engines. ChatGPT is way more than a tool or a party trick. It's a partner in your creative process. Whether you're crafting blog posts, emails, coding, learning something, or you need the cliff notes on a business book, or maybe you're looking for some fresh marketing angles, or you wanted to generate a good argument for an idea you have. What's the best reason that this is going to succeed? Or what's the best argument against my idea? ChatGPT offers the flexibility and intelligence to make your job easier and more efficient. Having the right tools in your corner as a web designer is just one part of the equation. To truly elevate your web design skills and career and business, you also need a supportive community behind you, holding you accountable and helping you grow, which is why you should join my free community, The Creative Crew. It's an exclusive global community for designers and web design agencies. It's a place where you can sharpen your expertise with growth-focused resources and stay in sync with the latest industry trends. You'll find guidance, mentorship, coaching, network with peers. You can collaborate, all aimed at powering your scalability and business growth. Click the link down in the description or the pinned comment and join right now. It's free, but it's so good it feels like it's not free. And now, check out this next video series where I'll be leveraging AI to literally take you through the entire client acquisition, working and delivery process. From landing a client to creating a content plan, designing mockups, building the site. It's a comprehensive and fun walkthrough that you really don't want to miss. I will see you there.